Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you're watching my channel Tot Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue of Windows update error, which is an store error, comes with an error code of 0x80070422. So we can fix this issue itself on Windows 10. First of all, you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you just need to type services, services. Now you have to open the services. Once the services would open, on the right hand side tabs you have to find out Windows Update. See here, you just need to right click on this, then afterward you have to click on properties. Now you can see that startup type is already automatic. If your is manual or disabled, you just need to click on automatic. Afterward you have to stop the services, then again start the services. Now you have to click on apply, then click OK. Again you can see on the left hand side, you can see Windows Update, stop the services and restart the services. You just need to click on the restart. Now close all the tabs and you need to just restart your PC and your problem will definitely fix by this method. If this video helped you out, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If this problem still exists, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.